Okay, now we're going to the waterfalls.
Yeah.
How far is the waterfalls, love?
Oh, we've got to go up. So we're in the second valley, so we are going to just follow, believe it or not, this is actually South Road, this main road here. So we'll follow South Road down to the Delamere store. Then you've got that road at the Delamere store, it turns left, it heads towards Victor Harbour. So that's the way you go. And then you drive down that road for, I'm not sure how many kilometres, not far.
Yeah.
And then it's on your left hand side.
Okay, let's go. It's Second Valley Forest Reserve, Ingalalla Waterfall. So it's free to go in here, right? That's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool.
You can have your cheese there later.
Yeah. Look around here. It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Pretty.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah.
You gotta get some shots there.
Yeah. Are going to have cheese for breakfast.
We've got all the stuff left in the fridge.
Yeah.
Cheese and dips and...
It's actually inside, love. Oh, I love the color yellow. So pretty color. We are having olives, cheese, and this, what's this, love? Grilled capsicum. Oh, with feta. For breakfast. Because someone's hungry. Thank you.
It's freezing up here.
Not too
It's not
bad.
middle of November.
Not too bad. Nice view. Oh. Yum? Seriously. You're like cocky.
Yeah.
I'm good, thank you. Chris, what is it there? They say tabi apo. Tabi apo. Tabi po. Tabi po.
Check it out.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Cool spot.
It is.
See that? Let's trap this spider. Get the funnel web down there. See that?
The water cold, you reckon?
Quite a few of those holes.
Hun, there's a crocodile.
Have a look at these holes here.
What hole?
I reckon they're funnel web.
Funnel
web
web.
or a couple.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because there's like
There's one there.
it's not just a web. Oh yeah, there's a web in the hole.
One there, one here. Watch it doesn't come out. And
Oh my god, you're scaring
They're
me.
everywhere. There's one here.
Where? Okay.
There's one here.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I know there's one. There's one there.
There's one here. All over the shop. Let's go this way.
Really? Okay, we'll walk
Oh, look at them all.
along the water. I don't want to. Oh yeah, there's a lot of holes. Look at that hole. Honey, there's gonna be a lot of spiders here.
Here's a spot called Ingalalla Waterfalls. It's not far from Deep Creek. It's actually on the opposite side of the main road, so it's a little bit more inland. About 20 minutes from Second Valley, probably 7 or 8 minutes from Deep Creek. And believe it or not, we're here in November, so it's been a really cold year, 2021. But yeah, plenty of water flow up here. It's only about 14 or 15 degrees today.
nice, right? Bye. Is it dirty, huh? So it's like 12 o'clock now, and
It's on Saturday.
there's a lot of people, so we do recommend you guys to come at like 7:30, 8 o'clock,
Yeah.
so you can take photos and all that. So
Even a weekday if you can,
Yeah.
if you've got it off.
it's school holidays anyway. This is Second Valley, and that's the famous general store there. Famous chips. Yeah, it's busy. Of course, it's a Saturday, and it's already what, almost 1. Everyone's out and about, and the sun's out, so everyone's gonna be cliff diving or swimming. Everyone's probably gonna be in the rock pool. You think?
Well, it's actually good that it's sheltered from the wind down there, which I thought it would be.
It's nice here. Is the rock pools there?
Should be down there,
Yeah.
technically.
Everyone's probably there right now.
Yeah.
Like, we should just skip it. But yeah, this is Second Valley, guys. It's really, really nice. Especially the one further where you walk. You have to walk through there, hun.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like always have to go early, or you just have to go on a weekday.
You don't want to go.
That's the caravan there, guys, if you want to stay here. Second Valley Caravan Park and Jetty Store. Ooh, I love their chips here. Second Valley. Look at this thing here. It's a free library. It's pretty cool. Just get the book and return it. Ooh. There's this one here as well. Best cheapest here in Second Valley. And Chris got a coffee.
Got my almond cappuccino.
And I got a smoothie. Excuse me, you said you're not gonna have chips.
If you're watching this video, just stolen this footage from 2019.
See, I told you you're gonna have some. You're not gonna say no to this chips. It's pretty good. You're eating it.
I'm just checking the temperature of them.
Yeah, right.
Make sure you don't burn yourself.
That's a lot. You're gonna have some. It's a small, but it's really pretty massive. We're now at our second location for our stay for a night. It's the break-free marina.
Should we just take all these bags down from here, or just maybe?
Marina. Check in, love. Yeah, see, it's now an Accor group. The golf course is probably New Terry. Oh, I don't know. It's the name. Break-free marina, is it? Yeah. Okay. So this is the hotel. It's an Accor group hotel. I don't know if probably is the restaurant there. Just going to our room. It's Gulf View number 6.
We stayed here about 5-6 years ago, guys, but it was different owners back then. So it'd be interesting to see what it's like. Yeah.
Interesting if we'll see kangaroos.
Yeah.
Are we in the right area?
Yeah, we're going to go down here and then cut through.
swimming pool.
Oh, cool. Gym's open 24/7 here, pool shut today.
Number 6 is Tesla. Is that Tesla charging?
No, that's
Oh,
hot
I
water.
thought it's a Tesla. No, because I read that there's like a Tesla charging thing.
If you're coming in here with a tall car, guys, or anything on the reef, watch out for the height with some of the overpass stuff.
9,
9,
8, 7, 6.
Cool.
Okay. Oh, okay. So that's the restaurant there.
6. Oh, hang on. We're number 6, so I'll just go over here.
Yep, number 6. This thing is like a resort apartment, like.
I think it's mainly pretty big if you're into golfing and things like that. That's where it gets its popularity from.
Well, it's a weekend, and this was probably the only one that's not booked out.
Because the other one, the Lady Bay Resort, that was booked out. That looks pretty nice as well, actually. We're going to go there for tea tonight, so we'll show you guys what that looks like. And we will get there before it's dark. They reckon it's a good spot for the sunset.